Oh, you just want my cookies. What do you think of him? What do you think, Tom? Tom was a little perturbed because I brought another kitty to work. Jasper. Jasper wasn't having it. What do you think of Tom? Winston, is that a good kitty? All right, if you can hold him short, I'll open the door and see what he does. He doesn't seem to be too interested. Winston, come here. Tom, what do you think of this one? Just let him come close and then see what he does. Winston, here. Say hi to the kitty. Right in here. In here. Not at my hands. There's no treats in there. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. What is that, a kitty? He's a good boy. Yeah, you smell like cookies. You're not dumb. Yeah, that's where they are. That's where they are. Good boy. You want one? Here. Gentle. That was a crumb. I know. Come on. If you back up a little, I'll have Tom come out. Come on, Tom. Tommy, come here. Come to Mama. Tom. Tom, come here, baby. Tom. Tom is not feeling it, are you? Tom, are you mad at Mommy? Come on, baby. Come here. I don't have all day. Neither does the doggy. Winston, you want to go say hi to him again? Just bring him in there because Tom's like, you brought Jasper to work. I'm the special dude. Tom is backing up. Are you scared of him, Tom? Tom, that's not like you. He's a good boy. Come here, Tommy. Come on. Come on, Tom. Yeah. If you back him up, I'll pull him out. Can you back him up? I'll pull him out. Come here, Tommy. Come on, baby. Come on. I know. Come on. He's like, dude, I'm mad at you. It's okay. You'll get over that. You'll get over it. Good boy. Good boy, Winston. See you purring again. You can't help it. I know it. Yeah, that's my boy. Winston, say hi. Come here. Winston. Dude, pay attention to the kitty. I know you love me. Dude. Oh, look. Ugh. You're being all cute and stuff, Tom. Good boy. Well, he doesn't really care about the kitty. Cool. That's good. You passed.